All right, so what do I do? You know, one, I should turn off my engine because I'm stuck. My engine's off. I'm gonna be stuck here. I'm hitting the ground. You know, I'm gonna have to get out and push. So, you know, one, I wanna make sure I have a life jacket on, especially if I'm by myself. And boy, you know, shoes are gonna have to come off. I gotta get in and get this thing out of here. The current in this situation is pushing me up, so this is not a great place to be. I'm gonna have to find myself in the water, push this boat off, get the lower unit down, and get out of here. And this might be a little bit of a challenge, but here we go. Gotta get wet. Expect it to be nice and mushy. Ah, there we go. So I can see like my lower unit stuck in the sand right here, but thankfully I turned it off, so I don't have to worry too much. I'm gonna have to try to push this boat out. It's gonna be hard because I'm getting pushed in here. In this case, I'm gonna try to get the bow out into the water, so hopefully it'll push me away. Yeah. Take some work. There we go. I got the bow pushed out with the current. And this is gonna have to be kind of quick. I'm gonna have to push the stern out. I'm getting wet, folks. I'm getting away from the shore. And this is where I gotta be kind of quick. Take up to my helm. Fired up. I am not in the sand. I gotta back away from this sandbar and get back out into that deeper water.